Stop scrolling. You're about to see 100 of the most beautiful crochet bags ever made. From cute minis to stunning totes that will inspire your next project. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our cozy crochet corner. Today, I'm sharing 100 amazing crochet bag ideas you'll absolutely love. From trendy shoulder bags to elegant handbags and everyday totes, this video is full of inspiration for your next creation. And if you're passionate about crochet, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell icon so you never miss our new ideas and patterns. Subscribe for more daily crochet inspiration, creative bag designs, and free pattern ideas. Just look at these gorgeous designs, perfect for any style or season. Some are super easy for beginners, while others are creative challenges for experienced crocheters. You'll see unique textures, beautiful color combos, and eco-friendly market bags too. If you see a design you love, pause the video and take a screenshot to save it for later. And remember, I share new crochet ideas every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and stay inspired. Your one click helps this crochet community grow and keeps the creativity flowing. Tell me in the comments which bag caught your eye, the mini tote, boho sling, or vintage handbag. I'd love to know your favorite. And if you haven't yet, subscribe now to get hundreds of crochet ideas and patterns directly in your feed. Crochet bags are more than just accessories. They're handmade art pieces filled with love and creativity. You can play with colors, yarn types, and little details like buttons, tassels, or floral patterns to make them truly yours. If you sell crochet products or love gifting them, these 100 bag ideas will spark endless inspiration. And here's a quick tip. Match your bag with a tiny crochet keychain or coin purse to complete the set. If you're enjoying this video, please tap like and don't forget to subscribe for more crochet bag ideas, amigurumi patterns, and handmade gift inspirations. Your support helps me keep sharing fresh crochet content every single day. Crochet is all about creativity. And these bags prove there are no limits to what you can make with a hook and some yarn. Each design you're seeing has its own charm and personality. From minimalist styles to bold statement pieces. If you're new here, welcome to our crochet family. We post daily inspiration, from amigurumi and decor to patterns and tutorials. So don't miss out. Subscribe now and stay connected for more crochet ideas, free patterns, and creative projects every single day. Thank you so much for watching. If you love these ideas, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Check out the links in the description for more crochet, inspiration, and tutorials. Subscribe today so you never miss a single crochet idea.